Number 17. What value of p is the solution of the equation above? So it gives us 2 times the sum of p plus 1 plus 8 times p minus 1, and all of that equals 5p. So now we have an equation with one unknown. Let's solve for it. So I'm going to rewrite it. 2p plus 1 plus 8p minus 1 equals 5p. Distribute the 2 to get 2p plus 2. Distribute the 8 to get 8p minus 8 equals 5p. So now I'm going to combine like terms. My 2p and 8p make 10p. My 2 and minus 8 give me minus 6. All that equals 5p. I'm going to subtract 5p from both sides. You get 0 on the right. So I have 5p minus 6 equals 0. Add 6 to both sides. So I get 5p equals 6. So moving up to the top, 5p equals 6. Divide both sides by 5. And I can end with 6 over 5. Now this can be written as 6/5, or if you can do the math without a calculator, you can get 1.2. Both of these are acceptable answers, but to save time, you can write 6/5. So you bubble 6/5.